Hi there. So I just recently partnered with this company called Opal, and they provide cool packs for women. Specifically, they're targeting women that have had C-section surgeries or just are hormonal, like a lot of women in our 30s are. This would have been amazing when I was pregnant. It's amazing now. I just had my period a couple weeks ago, and I used it during my period and it felt so good. I even have been using it for like workout recovery, so really want to share it with you. This is the I can't remember the bundle it is, but I got it in a bundle, and it comes with this cool pack that you can put on your front or your back, and it comes with this extra piece that you can make bigger if you need to. It comes with these little pads that you are supposed to use on your breasts. They're cool. They're cool and hot pads. So the hot pads, it says you can put them, breastfeeding mom to menopause, or sweaty workouts and everything in between. The cool pads you put in the fridge. You can have them be room temperature. They are super cool. And then the hot pads, they go up to 80 degrees, and you don't put them in anything. You just keep them. And then in this pack I got, let me see, I can't open this, but in this pack I got 6 different kinds. So they're just meant to help with cooling you down when you're feeling hormonal, and like especially if you're breastfeeding and you have like your boobs are really hard, they're just great for that. So this is what they look like. They can be hot or cold, and they look like this. So you just put them on in your bra. Really, really, really nice. And then this pack also came with a cooling eye mask, and the cooling eye mask looks like this. So then you put it on your eyes, and it's very, very relaxing. I have tried everything, and I do love them all. This would be great if you have migraines, headaches, or if you just like feel tired from running around. They are all awesome. You could even use these like breast pads, for if you're like just getting done a workout, if you're getting close to your cycle and your boobs are hurting, or ovulation. So anyway, definitely go check them out. They're called Opal Cool, and I will link the website below.